I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like order, why you wear me out? Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Welcome back to another video from HQ Barbering. Today we got a special request. The client requested that he wanted his beard like Kratos from the game God of War. That was a random request, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's go. So first I quickly cleaned up the mustache, and then now I'm gonna blow dry the hair downwards. As you can see, I'm splitting the hair halfway through the beard so I can make it easier blow drying it. So when you're working on beads, you gotta make sure it's blow dried properly, so as you're cutting it, it's all cut nice and evenly and you don't miss any loose strands of hair. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so I can upload more videos similar to this one and let you on some barbering tricks that no one tells you about. And let me know in the comment section of how you think this beard turned out. Now I'm gonna quickly line up the beard and clean the cheeks before I start working on the beard. Make sure always while you're lining up the beard, you stretch the skin upwards so you get a nice crispy line. And now we start with the tricky part. This is where all the magic happens. You gotta always be careful while you're doing this maneuver, because one wrong move and the client has a massive patch in his beard, and we don't want that, do we? Now I'm gonna start shaping up the bottom, and the bottom's gotta be a bit pointy from the middle, so it's gonna be cut from the sides a bit and comes down to a point. As you can see, I keep going and coming to the same spot because I keep seeing some loose strands of hair that's just sticking out, and it's just messing up the way the beard looks. So anything that's sticking out, you just zap it. No, it's the wrong word. You just take it off. Now I'm just gonna quickly straighten up under the beard with the scissors, and the beard's basically done. Alright guys, let me know how this beard turned out. I'm gonna post a photo of that Kratos guy and I'm gonna show you my client. Bye.